Are you part of the older generation of crypto enthusiasts who think foremost cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are irreplaceable? Considering Bitcoin is the #1 crypto asset ever to exist, and Ethereum, the king of the altcoins, founder of the smart contract consensus mechanism, upon which thousands of other decentralized apps or crypto assets are currently running on the Ethereum blockchain. Welcome to the new world, where we have even more innovative technologies being built on the existing ones. We have a third-generation blockchain of smart contract consensus mechanisms, and even more sustainable, cheaper, and faster transaction tokens. So stick around as I introduce you guys to insights on why the XRP chart is set to flip that of Ethereum. The entire crypto market is in a severe dip. We have the overall market cap experiencing a 10% downtrend, reaching below $2 trillion. Bitcoin tanked to $41,000 earlier today. Ethereum, Binance Coin, and others are undergoing a price correction. However, XRP continues to stand firm, counteracting the general market trend to recognize gains of nearly 10%, soaring to its current and most persistent support level of about $1.50. Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online, your go-to place for everything XRP. For those of you who are new to this channel and want to learn more about XRP, hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Also, now you can join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits. All you have to do is hit the join button next to the subscribe button below this video. There are several tiers to choose from, which offer rewards ranging from special XRP Army stickers and a badge right next to your name to personalized help with your portfolio. You can also sign up for our free Discord group via the link in the description and join a community of like-minded traders and investors. Also, there is the option to join and get access to our VIP channels on Discord, where we share the latest news, technical analysis, predictions, and everything XRP. Now, I understand why most people want to hear what price targets are and the price expectations. I know the psychology of investing. The thing is, you buy something and you want to sell it at a certain price, and ideally, you want to sell it higher than you bought it, right? For many people, the idea of selling their assets and the price continuing to go higher is just as stressful as buying at the bottom, being scared of the price to continue going lower. The emotional response you have within yourself, the psychological responses, are incredibly similar when you sell out of the market just as the prices continue to go up, eventually losing money. I mean, if you had continued to hold and the price continues to go up, you'd have made all that money, right? But since you decided to sell, then the price continues to go up, you've theoretically lost money that you could have made. Just as we focus on the XRP chart, we'll also have to bounce around the market to tie the whole picture of where we are at this moment together. And finally, looking at other charts, it all ties to XRP. The past few weeks have been kind of interesting for XRP as its price has been quite unstable because we have a variety of ranging back and forth. We topped back here on the 14th of April. We've had a whole month of bouncing around here. Meanwhile, we've got XRP looking to break out of the bull flag, just as the rest of the market continues to dip even further. The XRP breakout is happening not just yet, as we do have some more time for it to rally above. And if there's one thing I've always emphasized regarding the crypto market, it's all based on emotions. And this is especially typical of humans. When the emotional factors start to set in investment and decision-making, that very moment they begin to make terrible decisions. Right around this spot, over 40 days, the price of XRP encountered a 327% increase. So if you head over to the Ethereum chart, thinking about the enormous gains Ethereum had amassed, and you're thinking to yourself, how did I miss out on this? Let's quickly take a look at how much profit Ethereum has gained. In terms of percentage, not just by looking at the charts, seeing that could be a bit deceptive. Considering how high Ethereum rose just here, we could see it gaining profits within the 200% margin. Meanwhile, XRP's most recent price surge had amassed gains reaching above 327%. At this juncture, you'll agree that the way a chart looks merely by looking at it, the bubble structure of it all, psychologically affects people. What's expected is that whatever market sentiment we receive from any given token provides us just the right amount of people who've given up. When prices go high, people start to get euphoric. One major issue with market sentiments within the XRP community is the close affinity of members of this esteemed group with many pumps and dump coins. And as an expert crypto analyst, the blockchain backer would have it, the XRP market has very easy access to these pump and dump coins because of BitTrue. BitTrue is a very popular exchange among the XRP community. So BitTrue lists these pump and dump coins after they've already risen substantially. making it very easy for XRP community members to access them. Talking about price actions, about a year ago at this point, the price of XRP was sitting somewhere around the 15 to 20 cents margin. Fast forward to this very moment, the market had witnessed significant changes. Expectations are very different right now, as the markets have been very parabolic in most recent times. So even though XRP rose by about 327% a month ago, sentiments are now a lot reduced. Before we dive into some recent developments happening within the Ripple XRP space, I would like to emphasize the idea that we're dealing with a situation where we've seen the price of XRP consolidate for a month now. XRP has not been performing poorly at all, even though following the market sentiment and trend might bring you to think otherwise. There's always a corresponding consolidation period in any structure or any given move up. There will also be a resistance level for 6 months, which had led up to this very moment. That target was always to get to $2. As expected, we knew there would be a significant retracement once the price of XRP hits price margins nearing the $2 mark. And looking at the charts, XRP is doing exactly as expected. We're simply consolidating, waiting for a big breakout. The same thing will happen that always happens. We see sentiments go into the gutter, and then we see prices experience exponential gains, at which moment less savvy investors start to have a rethink, having regrets, wishing they had earlier bought more into this crypto asset. On the other hand, Ripple goes on to create a more inclusive financial system as it goes forth to tweet that building an inclusive future is possible with crypto, and points to how Mexico's crypto market is benefiting greatly from Ripple's ODL service. News of which was disclosed following a discussion between Ripple CTO David Schwartz and Daniel Vogel, CEO and co-founder of Bitso, during the latest episode of Blockstars, where the co-owner of Mexico's leading crypto exchange comes off to hint that, in Mexico, if you don't earn over a certain amount of money, you're just not interesting to traditional financial institutions. Crypto solves that problem, adding that the big power of crypto is the democratization of access. Even further, Daniel asserts that we want to make sure that people can go in and out of crypto seamlessly using our rails. On-demand liquidity is a service that allows fiat currency conversion using crypto technology. In our case, we're assisting in the conversion of US dollars to Mexican pesos, where the digital asset XRP is a bridge currency. We're processing close to 10% of the remittances from the US to Mexico through ODL. The Mexican economic system is fraught with high volatility, hence an increased amount of uncertainty. This means that most Mexicans back up the value of their asset using US dollars, making it even more difficult for the unbanked Mexican populace, which makes up 1/3 of the country's entire population, to make financial transactions. One of the many reasons why Mexico is trending as the world's fastest growing crypto market. While most of the projections being made about XRP sound rather imaginative than realistic, I can assure you that XRP price actions are pretty promising. Keep in mind that the crypto space is very dynamic, just as it is highly volatile, and this makes it even more challenging to prompt for long-term estimations or even predict what's to be expected of the price of a digital asset within the next few hours. According to famous crypto analyst Credible Crypto on Twitter, 90% of Ripple's customers are not in the US. 90% plus of XRP trading volume occurs on exchanges outside the US. XRP is not a security in Singapore, the UK, Switzerland, and Japan. If you think the SEC case is sending XRP to zero, you may not be thinking objectively. XRP is global. Another Twitter analyst, who is also pro-XRP, puts forth that the altcoin supercycle is close. XRP will have the highest ROI in my honest opinion. It moves last, but it always moves the fastest and the highest. Thanks for watching until the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on post notifications. Don't forget you can also join the channel as a paid subscriber for some exclusive benefits, and you can join our free Discord group via the link in the description. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comment section down below, and be sure to check out some of our previous videos as well. See you next time.